First off, love the price, you can't beat it. Then love the taste. I bought it because I came down with the flu that was going around, and since I've been taking the black elderberry, it's been working. I'm going to keep this on my cold and flu routine and buy it from Amazon, of course, way cheaper than WA. So, firstly, I must comment on the amazing shipping. I received this package really quickly. It was shipped to my address within 3 business days, and I really loved how quickly it shipped to my mailing address, so that's one thing. Another thing is that I haven't tried this batch that I received as yet, but I purchased it for a reason. I have already tried this medicine when I was around 16 years old, and I am 21 years old now, and when I was 16, I had visited Canada and I had came down with a bad case of the flu. Now normally, I don't get sick often, but when I do get sick, I am sick for a really long time. I am usually sick for up to a month and a half, and no matter how much vitamin C or prescription drugs I take, I am still sick for that period of time every single time. I remember taking this when I was really sick in Canada because my aunt had a free bottle and decided to give it to me. I swear, I thank God for this magic potion, because this is exactly what it is. I took about 3 doses or so of this and I felt better within a week. I kid you not. I was not sneezing, coughing or anything, and I was feeling so much better and more energized during 1 week. Even after my first dosage, I was seeing a noticeable difference. I was so surprised. During this unfortunate time, with the whole pandemic going around, I decided to get 2 of them just in case I get sick again, because trust me, this stuff works. It is really good for your immune system, and it just really helps you to get over colds and flus. This review was not sponsored in any way, and it is just my honest review. Trust me, if you are like me and your immune system isn't so strong when it comes on to fighting off a cold or a flu once you've come down with one, do yourself a huge favor and get this magic potion. I rate this high because it works. It gets a star knocked off because I just looked at the label. I have some sitting right here, and it contains, among other ingredients, glucose syrup, purified water. The reason that matters is because there is no ratio given. I don't really know what I am buying. What you want to purchase is the elderberry concentrate. Call me suspicious, but the past few years have not put me in a trust me mood when it comes to corporations. It also means that they can change that ratio of elderberry to water to glucose at any time due to seasonal processing needs. Not that I am saying they do that, and my experience has been positive. Go to PubMed.gov and search for elderberry or elderberry flu, or do a general internet search for elderberry flu. I stick to things where, yes, the studies may be small, but there is some objective study and the study is feral. Given that, my experience is that it has prevented colds and flu, times when I've woken up, or come home from work feeling like I am doomed. You have to stay with it and take several times during the day if you've already caught something. I've also tried the product, Dr. Dunner, Sambucol, with similar results, but it is even less widely available and is thinner, so I am assuming, perhaps unfairly, less bang for my buck. Click link in description for more reviews. Check our recommendations.